Hello and welcome to our video on why Spain lost the Spanish-American War. The war, fought between the United States and Spain in 1898, resulted in Spain losing its colonies in the Caribbean and the Pacific. In this video, we will explore the reasons behind Spain's defeat and the impact it had on the country. The Spanish-American War was caused by several factors, including Spain's declining power and influence in the world, its mistreatment of its colonies, and the United States' desire for expansion and influence in the Western Hemisphere. The war began in April 1898 and lasted only a few months, with the United States emerging as the victor. One of the main reasons for Spain's defeat was the weakness of its military. The Spanish Navy was outdated and ill-equipped to face the modern American Navy. The Spanish Army was also poorly trained and equipped, and many soldiers were suffering from disease and malnutrition. This made it difficult for the Spanish to effectively defend their colonies against the better-equipped and trained American forces. The United States had several technological advancements that gave it an advantage over Spain. The most significant of these was the use of the telegraph, which allowed for real-time communication between the American forces and their commanders. The United States also had modern warships and a well-trained and equipped military, giving them an advantage in battles. Spain also lacked international support during the war. Many European nations, including France, Germany, and Italy, remained neutral or sided with the United States. This left Spain isolated and without the resources and support it needed to fight a prolonged war. The defeat in the Spanish-American War had significant consequences for Spain. Spain lost its colonies in the Caribbean and the Pacific, including Cuba, Puerto Rico, Guam, and the Philippines. This loss of territory and influence was a significant blow to Spain's global power and influence. The defeat also led to political instability in Spain and a period of national reflection and soul-searching. In conclusion, Spain lost the Spanish-American War due to several factors, including the weakness of its military, the technological advancements of the United States, and the lack of international support. The defeat had significant consequences for Spain, leading to the loss of its colonies and a decline in global power and influence. We hope that this video has provided you with a better understanding of why Spain lost the Spanish-American War. Thank you for watching.